Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel. How to make money online on Clickbank and Warriorplus using this program which is called My Lead Gen Secrets. That is what we're going to be talking today. I'm going to be sharing with you my Clickbank affiliate sales which I'm getting by promoting various different Clickbank offers through My Lead Gen Secret program. Then I'm going to be sharing with you my Warriorplus sales which I'm getting promoting through My Lead Gen Secrets. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you what exactly is basically My Lead Gen Secrets, which are the offers which are converting with My Lead Gen Secrets, also which are the offers from Warriorplus which are converting with My Lead Gen Secrets, and also I'm going to be sharing with you what should be the email sequence. Okay, you don't have to email the same offer every single day to My Lead Gen Secrets lead. How it is working for me, I'm going to be showing you my proof of my commissions which I'm getting on My Lead Gen Secrets, and basically it's kind of like a free traffic from me. Okay, because my the subscription fee, which is $30 per month, is actually covered, so I'm not paying a single dime for this free traffic, and it's basically getting Clickbank sales and Warriorplus sales with absolutely 100% free traffic. Okay, sorry for that. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you, my friends. So let's get started. So first, a lot of people may ask me, what is basically My Lead Gen Secrets? Okay, it's basically a program which is going to allow you to get 100 USA and Canada leads every single day. All right. Also, you're going to be getting an inbuilt email autoresponder to send out one email to your email subscribers. Okay. Now, if you refer just one person, let me show you. So if you refer just one person, now instead of getting 100 leads, you're going to be getting 200 leads. Okay, so instead of 100 leads, you would get 200 leads to your account, and every single day in my country, India, it's going to be at 10:30 a.m. the leads are added to my Lead Gen Secret program. All right, so they have this inbuilt autoresponder where you don't have to get these leads on some different email platform to email. They are giving you an inbuilt email autoresponder. So that is the main hurdle which is basically solved. Okay, so email autoresponder is getting strict day by day. So this is the big problem which My Lead Gen Secret have solved. All right, so you're going to be getting email autoresponder. You can promote any offer to this list. Okay, but my suggestion is you can start with Clickbank offers and Warriorplus offers, and also My Lead Gen Secrets offer, because trust me, you want to cover up your $30 subscription fee. All right, so when that gets covered, My Lead Gen Secret program is basically free for you. All right, so you're getting 200 leads every single day, and you get to email those leads, and it's absolutely 100% free traffic. Let me show you. Clickbank offers and WordPress offers converts really well for you. So let me show you. If I go to my affiliates tab and commission section, you can see this RC. RC means recurring commissions. So these are the commissions which I'm getting every single month. All right. Once somebody gets registered under you, until they remain active, you would get every single month paid. Okay, and you can get paid in Bitcoin, you can get paid in PayPal, and there's also a check form, basically US based affiliates. Okay, once you request a payment, today I request payment, you would get paid within 24 hours. Top of that, they have got an absolutely fantastic support. Any issues you have, you can email them, you can live chat with them, and most of the time all of your questions are answered within just 24 hours. All right, so here are the commissions, and you can see where all our recurring commissions. Okay, I'm getting every single month. All right, so this is the power. And basically, if you see my cost is basically covered. All right, so the next thing is a $30 a month fee is there to keep your subscription active in My Lead Gen Secret program. All right. Now, to enroll and to get started with My Lead Gen Secret program, there is a $30 one-time setup fee plus the $30 subscription fee, which is going to be active until you want to work with My Lead Gen Secret program. Okay, so the first today itself, the cost is going to be $60, and from the next month it's just going to be $30. But remember, $30, that means for $1 every single day, you are going to get 200 USA leads if you refer some person. If you don't refer anybody, you're going to be getting 100 leads. And let me show you, these are real people. Okay, so I'm going to go to my leads section. If you see, these are real people. Today is what, 17th of Feb, and if I click on this browse leads, these are real people which are added to my list. So I've got this email, IP address, city, state, postal code, country, and the partner, the lead partner, the traffic providers from where these leads have came into account. Now you can basically select these leads and download it, but I would not recommend it because they already have an inbuilt autoresponder. Okay, so it's going to be getting a lot more messy. All right. So here when you go to affiliates section, you are going to get the affiliate link to promote this program as well. And I would highly recommend it because for the first level, you're going to be getting $5, which I'm getting every single month. Somebody under you refer somebody, you're going to be getting $4 for that person. Okay, so you are going to be getting paid deep down up to level 5, my friend. All right. Also, they have got these email swipes ready for you, so you just need to click this link, and if you're promoting My Lead Gen Secret program, everything is going to be set up for you. You just select the leads that you want to send email to, and then you're gonna come down. There's a subject line which you can write yourself, or they have this email swipes in affiliate tab which are converting for that. So everything is set up, your name, your affiliate link everything is ready for you. Just need to select the perfect timing so that the email goes to the subscribers inbox whenever they have subscribed to this My Lead Gen Secret program. And this is legally, okay? They have not spamming. Basically, when these people, these leads have subscribed to My Lead Gen Secret program, they have a check-in box over here like this one, where they have asked the subscribers that, are you interested in getting more offers from our partners? And when this when they click on this box, okay, on the My Lead Gen Secret opt-in box, they basically give permission to receive more and more offers from people like us. Okay, so it's legally that we are not spamming anybody. We are giving them the information which they have requested. Okay, so for today, I have already mailed it, so my email sending is going to be open after 20 hours. Okay, so you can select the perfect timing and you can just send. That's it. Here, if you want to promote any Clickbank offer, okay, you can just copy the link. All right, and then so for the demo purpose, I have just selected the Clickbank affiliate link. So here you can delete it and you can type in click here to know more. All right, so I'm going to highlight this, go to this link section, paste affiliate link over here and click OK. Then we can bold it. We can choose color, which looks great. Okay, if you want, you can change the font to Arial. I basically choose Arial, size 14, so it looks really nice and clean. And that's it. You just preview it and send it. That's it. That is what you need to do. And for that, you're going to be getting this kind of sales. So let me show you some of the offers which are converting with Clickbank. These are basically the Clickbank offers, and I have basically shortlisted those emails from where I have sent emails and I've got sales, my friend. So this is something paid social media jobs. I've got sales for this email swipe. And for paid social media, I got email sent this email, I got sales. So I have shortlisted this for you guys. If you join through my link right below this in the description, I'm going to be giving you the same email swipe which I have used to promote these offers. All right, and you can see over here, just let me show you just I can show you this offer which are converting for me, and email swipes also which have converted for me. So I'm going to be giving you those email swipe also if you join my lead gen secrets through the link right below this video. And these are the swipe which I got sales, which page I promoted. I have also shortlisted that thing. Okay, you can see all this information over here. So and these are the WarriorPlus offers. So let me show you the WarriorPlus offer which I have converted for me. And you can see over here cash magnets. You can see the tracking code. Cartel has converted. The end game has converted. Rapid traffic paid has converted. Profit Alliance has converted for me. So these are the WarriorPlus sales which I have got sales with my lead gen secret, promoting through my lead gen secret program. All right. Also, let me show you how should be your sequence. Okay, so this is something that I have tested a lot of time, and this is something which is working for me. So first day, day one, paid social media jobs. Second day, right app reviews. Third day, any WarriorPlus offer, which I'm going to be sharing with you if you join through my link. Then the fourth day, my lead gen secrets program, because trust me, it is important, my friend. You need to cover up your my lead gen secrets $30 fee as fast as you could, because then it's going to be absolutely free for you. All right, so fourth day I would suggest my lead gen secrets, and the next day, fifth day, you can basically try out a ClickWell system from Clickbank itself, or you can test any new offer. Okay, once you get something which is working for you, you can add it to this sequence. But this is the sequence which is working for me, my friend. It's getting me a really great like 300% return on investment every single month. All right, so this is the sequence which I would highly recommend. Also, here are the offers, WarriorPlus offers, which are converting really well for me with my lead gen secret program. You can pause this video, you can read out, and also I'm going to be helping you if you join through my link to get sales through WarriorPlus. Also, my lead gen secrets, when you promote this affiliate link, all right, if you go to affiliates tab, there is going to be four affiliate links over here. You can choose any one. This page is converting really well. All right, this second one. All right, so these are some of the email swipes where I have got sales. Also, they have got this master email swipes also, where they are going to be giving you 30 done for you email swipes, which you can plug and play. But this is the first OTO which you can get. It's optional, but I have got it because I'm not good at writing email swipes. So this is completely done for you. You can promote any offer with them, and trust me, right now I'm just promoting every single day to like 100,000 leads with absolutely no cost on my end, because it's already covered with my my lead gen secrets recurring commissions. Okay, so if you're interested in getting WarriorPlus sales, Clickbank sales, you can see over here tracking ID or MLGS, the date. All right, so if you want to get WarriorPlus sales, Clickbank sales, and also if you want to get some of the my lead gen secrets recurring commissions like this every single month, make sure to click the link below this video, join my lead gen secret program, and I'm going to be helping you to get this kind of recurring commissions every single month. All right, so if you have any questions, you can feel free to comment below, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook link is given below in the description, and I'm going to be sending you some good suggestions on my lead gen secrets, how to succeed with it. All right, so see you there on Facebook, or join my lead gen secret program through the link right below this video. I'm waiting for you on Facebook. Till the next time, have a great day. Bye bye.